YouTube. So today is 10th of May and I have entered in a trade and also exited from it. So after yesterday's selling in this part from 339, Nifty was unable to sustain this part and a selling came at the second half of the trading session yesterday. So my setup was to keep this as my stop loss and enter in a PE trade, or to keep this as my stop loss and enter in a PE trade. So market Nifty opened here, and as soon as it went up to 320, I entered in a PE trade, keeping 339 my SL. So 19 point in the index was my SL, and this is the candle where I exited at 264. It was a 1:3 trade, but I was waiting for 240. But the reason I exited within 3-4 candles was in this part. Yesterday Nifty consolidated in this part. So I thought maybe today also it can consolidate here. So after my exit from 264, it came down a bit lower. It came down till 237, and 240 was my 1:4 trade. But I was expecting a green candle at this part, because here my Nifty was range bound, so I didn't wanted to repeat yesterday's mistake that Nifty went inside a range, and even though I had 5-point loss in the index, I had to pay 300 rupees due to time decay. So as soon as I got a little profit, I exited from it. And as per my setup, I managed to take a 1:3 trade, so which is not pretty bad. But the if I would have waited a little bit more, 5 minutes more, I could have really gotten this 1:4 trade, getting me a profit, a little bit more profit. But I am okay with this because after yesterday's loss of 300 rupees, my capital came to 5,000 again, and today I could make a profit of 750 rupees, almost 700 rupees apart from brokerage. So if I don't trade anymore today, tomorrow my capital will be 5,700. So this was the reason I exited. And in case Nifty makes a range, consolidates for some time and then breaks down, I will again enter. But that too depend, because I would prefer to enter at the second half of the day. If Nifty consolidates for some time, like yesterday it consolidated for 2.5 hours here. So again, if it consolidates here today, then I'll enter. This was my target, but I booked before my target, and the reason being this part, I didn't wanted to repeat yesterday's mistake. And yesterday's learning, I thought that I did the same mistake. Yesterday I didn't got any setup and I entered in the trade due to my FOMO. But today I got my setup and entered, and exited fast. So I'm still trying to train my brain in to think in terms of probability. Anything can happen, and the randomness of the trade, randomness of the result, that any result, any outcome is possible. So Nifty is coming towards 18,230. Once it breaks 18,220, I'll then again think about entering or something else. Then this will be my target. And if I don't trade anymore, then it's okay. So let's see what happens. So it's almost 2 p.m. and Nifty has been constantly in this range. So this is the reason that I thought that Nifty would stuck in this range as it happened yesterday. So I exited from my trade in this candle, but if I would have waited, I would have gotten some more profit, but that's okay. So now this range, if Nifty breaks it on the downside, it can give a good move, but this is a trending resistance, this green line here, and it got rejected from here also. So anyways, I got my setup early in the day today and I entered, and I tried not to repeat yesterday's mistake, and yesterday just in a flat market I lost due to time decay. So today I thought maybe the sooner I exit the market, the more it is better. And I figured out I was having 1:3 trade, risk to reward ratio of 1:3, so I exited, and that's completely okay. So that's it, and tomorrow is expiry. So another thing is today I knew the premium would be decaying very fast, so another reason for me to exit earlier. So that's it, and I'll trade again tomorrow. So 4 trades have been done in my 5-mile run, and till now 600 rupees profit in my capital. So just trying to think in terms of probability, and that every trading day is unique, every moment is unique. So that's it. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Bye.